What's up guys, Technoba here for Server.pro and welcome to this tutorial for installing and using PunishmentGUI. PunishmentGUI is a plugin that simplifies other administration plugins and brings them together if you're using more than one. The plugin aims to make admin commands simpler and faster to get to by using a simple interface instead of having to remember multiple commands. To install a plugin, head over to the plugin section. Select the Spigot tab and search for PunishmentGUI. Install a version that's compatible with your server and restart. Alternatively, you could download it from the Spigot page and upload it to your Server.pro panel. While the plugin doesn't require any specific plugins to work, it does require any existing punishment plugin as long as you can add the commands to the config. The plugin's default config is designed to work with light bans, but a sample config for advanced ban is also provided by the plugin developer. For this tutorial, I'll be using Advanced Ban. You can see what plugins you already have installed by going to the Install tab under Plugins. As for commands, this plugin is very easy to interact with. /PunishmentGUI shows some information about the plugin as well as some useful links. The main command for this plugin is /punish. When this command is run followed by a player name, which can be any player including yourself, a page will open with some options for us to choose from. There are three main sections: chat offenses, general offenses, and client mod offenses. Below them are some ban options. Each severity level has different lengths ranging from an hour to a month. While deciding on ban length differs from admin to admin, this plugin makes it simple for new admins and moderators on your server to know exactly how to punish someone for how long. Hovering over each severity level gives some examples of what you might give this out for, helping you decide as well. The options on the far right are permanent. These include permanent mute and permanent ban. The third option here is warning. When any of these options are clicked, it tells you in chat that they were punished, but nothing actually happens unless you have a mod that handles these punishment commands. We'll touch on this again later in the config. In the top right, we have IP mute and IP ban, meaning that even if a punished player logs off and rejoins on an alt account, they aren't able to continue spamming or, in the case of an IP ban, ever rejoin. Everything else on this page is username bound, meaning that if someone disconnects and comes back on an alt account, they will appear as a new player who isn't punished. To show the plugin in action, I'll first mute the other account, and as you can see, the player was told that they were punished. And because they're muted, any chat messages they send won't be sent to the rest of the server. Then I'll just go ahead and perm ban the other account just for fun. Locate the config folder in the plugin folder. In here we have a few files. Most of these are language related, including banreason.yml, which allows you to customize the messages given back to you in text chat when you run a command. GUI items.yml contains all the text shown to you when hovering over options in the GUI. In here, you're also able to customize what block or item is used to represent each option. And finally, config.yml, which contains some responses for people trying to interact with this mod, including messages for player target names being too long. Also visible in here is the plugin's only permission, punish.use. Now for the final, most important file, GUI commands.yml. This file contains each option on the GUI that we can interact with. These are the commands that are run in the console when an admin clicks on the corresponding option. As you can see, the mute GUI button simply runs /mute in console. The %target and %reason are just placeholders that the plugin interacts with. The same goes for %t, which is the time a punishment will have. This is where it becomes super plugin specific. By default, this config is made for the light bans plugin, but PunishmentGUI's wiki also provides a template for advanced ban as well. Either way, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any plugin suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. If you're having issues with anything, contact our support team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.